Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to pronounce the 12th month of the year in Austrian German. After having watched this video, you're able to pronounce the month from January to December. In German von Jänner bis Dezember. Some months are very similar to Standard German, others are a bit different. So let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to learn how to pronounce the 12 months of the year in Austrian German. Let's start with Jänner. Jänner is January. In Germany it is often called Januar, but in Austria Jänner is most common. If you're interested in the differences between the German in German and the German in Austria, please check out the playlist. Februar is February. Februar. Sometimes you also will come across the word Feber. Feber is also February. März is March. März. April is April. April. In dialect, you will also hear April. April. But the more common word is April. Mai is May. Mai. There is a saying amongst farmers in Austria when it comes to potatoes. Legst mir ein im Mai, komm ich gleich. Legst mir ein im April, komm ich wann ich will. If you plant the potatoes in May, you can harvest early. If you plant the potatoes in April, it depends on the weather. Juni is June. Juni. Juli means July. Juli. August is August. August. August is also a surname for Augustine. And the next months are actually the same in Standard German and in Austrian German. For example, September is September. September. October is October. October. November is November. November. And finally, December means December. December. Now let's repeat the 12 months once more. Jänner, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, Oktober, November, Dezember. I hope you're a bit more familiar with the 12 months of the year in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.